productivity. When I want to understand this 12 alphabetic word, I had only two questions in my mind at the start. First, what is productivity? What in the hell is this word? Second, how can this change my lifestyle or improve my lifestyle? So now this is what I found. As an answer to the first question, many people will say, hey, it's to complete more work in less time. And some will say it's a mentality to achieve something or do something big. Taking all this into consideration, I will answer, it's to give your all in that single whole day. Meaning, completing your work properly and on time. Being active the whole day to show yourself what you got. Learning new things. Improving yourself from good to best. Isn't it? We got 86,400 seconds every day. We got 1,440 minutes every day. We have 24 hours in a whole day. For me, productivity is to get maximum out of it every day. But we all know on our path, we face certain distractions. And we blow our focus, and due to less time left, we multitask. Like a call from your GF, and in that chit-chat you ran out of time, and then you realize, I have to do this, oh yeah. This as well, oh my god. I had to submit it till tomorrow? And you fucked up. Right. Sometimes your emotions overcome and control your mind. A simple piece of advice for you. Never let your emotions or greed control your mind should control your emotions. Let's take an example. You are planning to quit fast food after realizing that you are getting out of shape. You joined a gym and started eating healthy, but one day you passed a burger stall and that spicy smell grabbed your nose and said, "Come to me." And suddenly an excuse came out, it's just for a singe day, you can't have one. And then this happened. Now comment below what's the actual cause here? Here your emotions and desire to eat and taste that burger call your brain, and finally this excuse came up. On the other side, a productive personality is committed to his decision. He has nothing, not a thing, on his path, except him and his motivation to go on. Stay focused and motivated. Committed, take a decision and complete your commitment. That's the reason why productive personality do more in less time, because they are committed to it. In order to improve yourself, you have to improve your productive level. If first one was motivation, focus and commitment, then the second one will be organizing. Yeah. Organizing or arranging your day in a manner that you can do all your tasks assigned that day. We have to be always prepared for our battles. Right. So there are 3 tools to that. First is your calendar. Yeah. I use Google Calendar for that purpose. You can use any one according to your suitability. Okay. First you will open your calendar, adjust your schedules with the common things you do a week and arrange them according to that common tasks like mine. It will include school or work, workout or gym, studies and many more. Second is your to-do list manager. I use Microsoft To Do because it works perfect for me, but you can use anyone. In this you will all your tasks for the day and night before or in the morning. Like going to school, going to gym or any task you want, just add then and a reminder as per time, like mine, and you will realize you have more time to do something new as well. Third is your notebook, or you can use any normal notepad or notebook, but my preference is Microsoft Notebook. So, in this you will add your all new ideas, like, I have the whole script for this video prepared here, or your vacation plans etc. Now, if you want to have a complete knowledge about this tool and how to use them, you can visit Skillshare and attend this lesson from CARL PULLEIN. Believe me, he is best at this. I will put the link in the description, just go and have it. Now, earlier I said that distractions forces us to multitask. Now, this phone I am holding and having these tools, aren't they also a cause to distractions? So, I will recommend having a distraction control challenge for you. Just for a week, that's it. You have to do is, nowadays there are inbuilt app lock available, if not then just install one. And mark locked to those apps which you think that it can distract me. Okay. And ask your parents or brother, sister or your partner to enter a password, and lock it, and tell them that don't open or tell me the code for a week, even if I beg to it. Just for only 7 days. Believe me, it will be a reboot to your mind. It will be a problem for first 3 days, but after that you can bear it easily. And you will get more time to do or learn something new. You can include games, social media except WhatsApp if there are office or school work involved, and other apps you think you may get distracted with. Yeah. That's it. Now that's not all I am asking for. You have to work your ass off to get it worked. So work hard. If you have any more questions to ask or advice to give, then contact me through Instagram or email me. The address will be on the description.
Wow, very boring. Wait, my next video is about how I use these tools to organize my daily routine. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and beat that bell button. And if you like this video, then knock that like button. And if you're not, then the dislike button. And comment my mistakes. It's Abhinaya signing out.